Hi, Callum here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Moscow Mule. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. The story goes that the Moscow Mule was created in 1941 in the Cock and Bull bar in LA, when John Martin, the new owner of a struggling vodka distillery called Smirnoff, met with his friend Jack Morgan, who was owner of the Cock and Bull, and trying to introduce his new ginger beer. They were sat at the bar and they were wondering how they were going to sell their struggling brands when an entrepreneurial Russian woman named Sophie Borinsky walked in trying to sell her Russian copper mugs. What they ended up doing was a little brainstorming session, and with the help of Wes Price, the bartender, they ended up landing on the Moscow Mule, using their vodka, their ginger beer and their copper mugs respectively. And with a splash of lime for extra balance, the drink was now done. This drink would go on to change how Americans perceive this white whiskey, bringing vodka's popularity up to atmospheric levels. This super simple, sessionable drink brought vodka into mainstream drinking society, and now, 80 years later, is still one of the most popular cocktails in the world. So what we're going to need to make this drink is some vodka, some ginger beer, and some lime juice. And we're going to place it into a copper mug, and we're going to build it in the glass. What we're going to need is 50 milliliters of vodka. We're going to do a squeeze of lime, and we're going to top it up with ginger beer. Super simple, really easy to make, but absolutely delicious. So squeeze of lime, and some ginger beer. So we're going to open this ginger beer like so. I'm going to top it up. And for garnish, we're going to use a lime wedge. Place it on top. And there you have it, a Moscow Mule. Enjoy!